Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video actually, and I'm very hyped with this video because it's about drop servicing, but I'm not going to explain you how to do drop servicing. This is a new way that you can make money with drop servicing without spending money on ads. Yes, generally what I taught on that video on drop servicing, which that's the best video that got the most amount of views on my channel. Go check it out. Go check it out in the up right corner. That is a video where I teach you how to do drop servicing. But in that video, I teach you that you should do a gig. You should do a funnel, a website funnel here on GetResponse. And then what you should do is you should launch Google Ads, and that is how you made your sales, and that is how you brought traffic to your landing page in order to for them to buy their service you're promoting either from Fiverr, Upwork, or any other freelancer website. Yes. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually get traffic for free. Yes, and how to actually get gigs for free without spending a dime on Google Ads. Yes, so stay tuned until the end so that I can show you that. And if you like more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. Yes, so if you want to learn this method and more, please make sure to stay until the end. So let's get into the video. So guys, let's actually get into the video. Yes, now let's review and let's recap the process of drop servicing. Yes, so drop servicing is when you find a service that is not yours, that is not the service you are providing, you are not doing that service, you find someone else who is doing that service, and what you're doing, you're grabbing that service from this freelancer and you are promoting it. Yes, but how do you make a profit by doing this, by promoting other services that are not yours? Obviously, you buy the service very cheap, and then obviously when you promote it, you sell it more expensive. Yes, that's how it works. So let's say that I want to promote a service that is a t-shirt design, a freelancer that does t-shirt design. So what I do is I go to this freelancer, I buy their design for $35, and then I go and resell it for $75, for example. Yes. Now the way it works is the other way around. First, someone buys from your site at $75, and then you go to the freelancer and buy the t-shirt at 35. Yes, so you don't actually first buy the service and then promote it. You first promote the service, make a sale, and then buy the service from the freelancer website. Yes, so but if you think about it, it doesn't make sense that you should buy the service first, because you don't know what the client who is going to go to your landing page actually wants. Yes, that's the thing, and that is why you should do it like that. Yes. Now, I think I saw an example on Google on how of a freelancer website, of a drop servicing website. I think I showed it in the past video, but I think I'm going to show it next. It was, I think, podcast, or sorry, I don't remember. Let me remember. So here I found the website that I wanted to show you about drop servicing. It's a book cover design service where obviously you buy a book cover. Yes, but as you can see, the prices are very extreme. Now what he does, he obviously sells the service for this amount, then he goes to Fiverr and search gigs for that obviously are lower the price that he's selling them. Yes, so if he's selling them for $69, then he's going to find services which are doing it for less. Yes, because if not, he wouldn't be making a profit. Yes, now I'm saying he because the owner of this website is Liam James K, a famous YouTuber, I don't know if you know him, but he makes very good affiliate marketing videos. So he goes and he went to Fiverr and put book cover design, and you'll see that that here the gigs are very cheap. And what he's doing, because you see that he has 3 plans, the basic, standard, or pro, he's just mocking the exact same thing that Fiverr does. If you know Fiverr, you know that every time or every gig, generally not all of them have these 3 gigs: the basic, the medium, and the advanced. They have always 3 packages for you to choose on every Fiverr gig. Yes, for example, let's go with this one. I will design a Kindle cover or book or ebook cover. And as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. You have the basic, the standard, and the premium. Yes, and he's doing the same. You have the basic, the standard, and the pro. Yes, he's just taking a gig on Fiverr and just copying and pasting it into a landing page. Yes, now you could do the same, and this is what I explained on the other video that I make about drop servicing. Now, what then I told you is that you should go to get response, do a funnel, yes, here on the auto funnel option. And then what you should do is then go to Google Ads and start promoting this page. Now, in this video, I want to show you how to actually do it for free if you don't have money to spend on ads at first. Yes. Now, it's exactly the same, or like the method in reverse, because you are going to go to Fiverr, buy once you have your client, go to Fiverr, buy the service, and then obviously complete the task. But how? We're going to go, for example, to Upwork.com, and we're going to do the reverse. We are going to look for people who are looking for that service. Now, in Fiverr, you can't do that. Yes, you can't find people who want a given service. Yes, but for example, or on Upwork, on Freelancer.com, and other freelance website, you can do that. You can find people which are looking for a specific service. Yes, so as you can see here, you can find jobs, which is the thing that we are going to do, and we can also find freelancers, and that is if you have a service that you want a freelancer to do for example, on Fiverr. Fiverr is only a find freelance website, so it's only designed for you to find freelancers. Yes, so you can't find people who are interested in a given service for you to offer them that service. Yes, so on Upwork and Freelancer.com, these are 2 websites that I found you can do that. Yes, how? For example, here you can find professional agencies, or what you can do. Oh, sorry. So what you have to do is you have to go to here, click on this arrow that is looking down, and click on jobs. My bad. I know that Upwork had it, but I don't remember how to do it. So you'll have to find jobs. Yes, because then it's when you find jobs, you can actually offer them their service. Yes. So let's say that you are offering the same thing that Liam is offering, which is book covers. What you do is you go to Freelancer or even Upwork and just put something like book cover. Oh, sorry for the spelling. Book cover design, for example. Yes. Then you search, and then you'll be seeing all the posts or all the jobs that are requiring or that need a book cover. For example, here a comic cover. For example, a designer who can create a high impact proposal using Apple Pages, for example. So here you'll see jobs where obviously they want the service that you want to promote. For example, this one. I'm looking for artists that make anime, superheroes, and comic book script scenes. Well, we are looking for book cover. Well, for example, seeking book cover designer. This is exactly what we want. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to the job, and we're going to you have to apply as a freelancer. Put your name, your last name, your email address, and then apply it for a freelancer. Yes. Now, This is harder than actually doing advertisements because you have to compete with other freelancers who are also applying for as a freelancer. Yes. So now this is more on the gray hat area because you are applying as a freelancer, but you are not really the freelancer. You're just outsourcing the work. You could get banned from Upwork by doing this, but if everything goes right and you apply as a freelancer and then you outsource it, then you will be making money, which obviously you will be making for free because you spent a dime. You didn't spend a dime on ads. Now, the same applies for freelancer.com. The thing you have to do is go to find jobs and do exactly the same. You can find by skill, by language, by any type of filter. Yes, you just have to sign in, do the same as I explained you on Upwork, and you are going to find people who are seeking for that service that you are going to promote. So let's say that you apply as a freelancer. What do you do next? What to do next? Then if you apply to a freelancer, then you go back to Fiverr and buy that service for free. And here they are paying you for that book cover. They are paying you $75. You can find a book cover design for $10. So if the cost is $10, but you are spending not a single dime on ads, then let me do the math for you, and let's actually see how much you are making for every gig. Yes, because this is not the only one looking for a book cover design. There are a lot of other people looking for book cover designs on this type of websites. So if they are paying you $75 and the cost of the gig is $10, then you're making $65 back, and without spending a dime. So if you spend, for example, $30 on ads, you would be making more or less than you would be making with this method. Now, the downside of this method is that it's not a really quick scheme and it's not easy because you have to compete with other freelancers. Yes, so take that into consideration. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below, guys. This was it for this video. Hope I see you till next one.